एक्सिस मैक्स लाइफ इंश्योरेंस के नए कार्यालय का किया गया शुभारंभ। उद्घाटन स्वयं अपने हाथों से नारियल को फोड़ करके असिस्टेंट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट दुर्गा चक्रवर्ती जी ने बहुत ही जोशीले अंदाज में किया ऑफिस के बाकी कार्यक्रमों का शुभारंभ। ऐसे में समाज सेवी रविंद्र कुमार जैन जी के अलावा तमाम पदाधिकारीगण संयुक्त रूप से फीता को काट करके ऑफिस प्रांगण में प्रवेश किए। तत्पश्चात दुर्गा चक्रवर्ती जी अपने हाथों से सभी को अंग वस्त्र भेंट करके टीका लगाई और गुलाब फूल दे करके किया अभिवादन। नमस्कार, मैं पंकज, आप सबका स्वागत है द ग्लोबली न्यूज अपडेट्स में। सभी पदाधिकारियों को अभिवादन के पश्चात शुभ कार्यक्रम जैसे कि दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ किया गया कार्यक्रम को आरंभ। मैक्स लाइफ इंश्योरेंस का डबल भरोसा के साथ अपनी बीमा ज़रूरतों के लिए नए ऑफिस में संपर्क कर सकते हैं। यह सिलीगुड़ी शहरवासियों के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी है। एक्सिस मैक्स लाइफ इंश्योरेंस के नए कार्यालय का विवरण जो है इस प्रकार है। गैलेक्सी हाउस के चौथी मंजिला पे पीसी मित्तल बस स्टैंड के पास यह ऑफिस का आज से किया गया शुभ आरंभ। असिस्टेंट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट दुर्गा चक्रवर्ती जी स्वयं उपस्थित थी, साथ ही साथ उनके साथ तमाम पदाधिकारीगण उपस्थित थे। समाज सेवी रविंद्र कुमार जैन जी, सरवन चौधरी के अलावा जोनल वाइस प्रेसिडेंट योगेश कुमार, रीजनल मैनेजर जुल्फिकर हुसैन के अलावा तमाम पदाधिकारीगण के साथ ही साथ और क्या क्या कार्यक्रम हुआ, आइए एक बार उस पर प्रकाश डालें और चीज़ों को समझें विस्तार से। आप सभी का दिन शुभ हो। भारत माता की जय, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद।
Very nice. Please come. He's the man to take initiative and all. Come. We're working the last chapter for 20 years which insurance. But he's the man.
Yes. It's very renowned, very popular.
Ankita Kentalia. Big hand. Wonderful play, wonderful beginning and good service, good smile, good behavior, good service.
करेक्ट, इतना छोटा भी नहीं है वैसे।
Mr. Yogesh Kumar. And the second is goes to someone. This is for you, young lady. Oh, great, very nice.
सारा मेकअप खराब हो गया दुर्गा जी।
Okay. So, hello Siliguri. A very good afternoon to all of you. I'm very happy to share this. सिलीगुड़ी में एक्सिस मैक्स लाइफ का एक ऑफिस आया है जो कि पीसी मित्तल के सामने है और आज उस ऑफिस का हम इनॉग्रेशन कर रहे हैं। सो आई थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर कमिंग हियर फॉर दिस ओकेजन एंड टू इंश्योर the gravity of this occasion even more now. So with me, rather than hearing these golden words from me, let's hear from the expertise from the industry as well as from the Axis Max Life. So first we have with us Mr. R.K. Jain. We all know, no introduction needed. He will share himself for sure. Then we have from zonal head our ZVP Mr. Yogesh Kumar. Then we have our RM regional manager Mr. Zulfikar Hussain. Then we have a very veteran from our industry Mr. Shayanno. Then nonetheless, not the least, the Shravan Chaudhary, who is the veteran from the life insurance industry. So let us hear from them. So first let us start from the ZVP Mr. Yogesh Kumar. Yes sir.
Thank you Durga, and I am really thrilled and excited to share, our new office that has come over here. In Siliguri, we already had, two offices already running. We have a presence, but I think with this office, I think we are showing our promise in this market, and we are very confident with this. With the love of entire Siliguri, we will have more opportunity to expand. Axis Max Life as an organization investing in Siliguri, and I'm confident that we will make this office successful in the leadership of our dynamic office head Durga Chakrabarti. All the best, Durga. Over
Thank
to
you, sir.
Mrs. Jain.
Thank you, sir.
Please. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Congratulations to
sir.
Yogesh, Durga Chakrabarti. What a great opening here. You are in heart of a Sevak Road, Galaxy building. It's a very happening place now. And next, I'm a very old timer with the Max Life Insurance last almost 50 years. I had two schemes. I found a fairly well returns on all. People want people who are really something dependable. They want investment because the FD gives no interest. So any person will love to come to Max Life Insurance, and with a good service, the good this thing, you get many people to come in this area here, and it's really very happening. Like 15 years ago, we had only one hotel, Sinclair. Now we have got 15 hotel now.
Yes.
Right? We have one flight. Now we have 10 flights coming. Siliguri. Siliguri, very happening place next to Calcutta. And it's all bonding here. People know each other. And good service will make a difference. Right? You have to keep driving and just see your drive must be like GDP is around 8%. You must have 16% drive minimum 1 year. That is the target you have to have minimum.
Yes, sir.
So wish you all the best. I'm really humbled, privileged to be here. Thank you so much indeed. I could meet the old people here. Ankita, I could meet many. Swan Chaudhary is a very old timer known to me. Many more people, Pankaj, Lakshmi. Good to see all of you here. Keep smiling, keep cheering, keep blowing. God bless.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
सिलीगुड़ी सो हम लोग इधर जो नया ऑफिस खोले हैं डेफिनेटली हमारे ऑब्जेक्टिव बिजनेस बट एट द सेम टाइम कई जगह पे अगर एक्सपेंशन हो रहा है दैट इज़ वी आर टू सर्व मोर पीपल हियर सो दैट इज़ आवर इंटेंशन एंड लाइफ इंश्योरेंस बिजनेस इज़ very important part of everybody's life. I mean, to do life insurance because it is a family protection. It is not just the business done by Axis Max Life or any other insurance company. We are expanding means we are reaching more prospect जिनका life insurance का need है, जिसका family protection in absence of breadwinner of the family, उनको ये secure कराना है कि financial security हम लोग Axis Max Life से उनको help करेंगे to understand and to do investment with us. And not only that, इस ये छोड़ के भी यंग इंडिया वी आर प्रोग्रेसिंग सो हम लोग बहुत सारे स्पेस में गाइड कर रहे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिटायरमेंट प्लान इन टर्म्स ऑफ चाइल्ड एजुकेशन प्लान देयर आर लॉट ऑफ opportunities are here with Axis Max Life. So we are here to serve our nation. We are here to serve the Siliguri people, and at the same time we'll create more opportunity for Siliguri people for earning. We are taking managers from this area. We are taking advisors from this area who can run their family by doing business with us. So there's a lot of opportunity. It is a win-win situation for Axis Max Life as an organization and also the Siliguri people. So all the very best. We are very hopeful we will do well here with the collaboration of all of you. So thank you so much and all the best.
श्रवण चौधरी जिनकी सर्विस जिनका नाम इस पूरे एरिया में बहुत फेमस है तो क्यों ना उनके मुंह से ही सुने कि ऐसा वो क्या करते हैं कि ही इज़ वेरी फेमस. तो सर समथिंग फ्रॉम यू.
ऑल द बेस्ट सबको, सबकी मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. सर्विस देना है लोगों को और ब्रांड जो सही है वही सही पॉलिसी देखिए उसको सेल करना चाहिए, ये मेरी कामना है. ओके, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
सिलीगुड़ी. सो सबसे पहले हार्टिएस्ट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन दुर्गा एंड द एंटायर टीम फॉर expanding our overall hands as far as Siliguri is concerned. Any which way, Siliguri is a very potential market. We as a company, we are the third largest private life insurance company in the market in today's date. And obviously, as Yogesh sir was talking about that, any which ways we do have branches in Siliguri. But this is one more branch that we have come up with. The only reason is जो यहाँ का जो मार्केट है, यहाँ का जो पोटेंशियल है वेस्ट बंगाल में लेकिन कंपैरेटिवली कम है. सो विद दैट होप ऑब्वियसली जुल्फी केम अप विद अ वेरी वेरी गुड पॉइंट दैट we as a company, we are expanding in today's date. We are opening with the distribution piece and we want more and more people coming up and joining us so that they can also give financial security to the families of Siliguri. Once again, Durga, congratulations and all the very best. Wishing you all the success. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.